Greetings! We are going to learn how to assign a universal filter on Juno-X right now. So if you've watched Loopop's video, you know that you can hold Shift and touch any of the parameters to bring up some options. So I'm going to hold Shift and move the first slider. I know you can't see my little screen, but it is by default assigned to attack, which you may already know having played with it. If you move it just one to the right, you'll get cut off. And now, cool. And then just to show you that this does work with multiple layers. And here's something interesting. It doesn't go all the way down to 0. It is an offset. And it doesn't go all the way down to 0. So, like you'll notice, the heater pad still has quite a bit of treble. So if I go in there and adjust it, so I'm on part 2, which is the heater pad, I'm going to bring the cutoff filter frequency down until it sounds like what I want it to sound like with the SL knob all the way down. Something like that, and then perfect, cool, I like that. So I also want to adjust I wanted to get a global resonant filter also. So I'm going to hold Shift, do the second SL fader, and I'm going to assign it to, let's see, where's resonance? I think I missed it actually. I have to go backwards, don't I? Yes, I have to go backwards. It is by default assigned to release. And if I go backwards to CC71, that should be resonance. So now, okay, so that clearly works. That's awesome. That's a lot of fun. Hey girls, oh, you're so good. This has been Nick Tuttle at Misty Music Studio, hanging out here today with Puka and Selkie, who are sisters and they love each other. I hope this has helped you out, and I hope you have an excellent rest of your day playing with your Juno-X. See you next time, everybody.